We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I will show how you can check the Bluetooth password for this DJI RSC to gimbal. So ultimately there are two ways you can do that. You can either see your Bluetooth password through Gimbal's interface by launching settings. In order to do, well, open settings, press in the left side dial like a button. Here find advanced options, here they are. Then go all the way to the bottom and tap other. Here open the device info list, and here you'll see the password, that is the Bluetooth password itself. In order to check your Bluetooth password through app, you gotta, well, launch the app first, then here tap at these three lines, then go into device list, and here is your Bluetooth password. So if needed, you can check it here, you can check the default password as well, or you might as well just change it if necessary. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.